only one of the first column element. In our first column element, only one of the element is 0. Then you have to take S equal to 1 by Z. This is the method. And I'm giving you an equation that is equal to S power 4 plus 2S cube plus 10S square plus 12S plus 5. From this equation, we have to solve case number 2. Okay. First, we'll take the array first. What is the highest power? The highest power is S power 4 and S power 3, S power 2, S power 1 and S power 0. Okay. These are our even numbers. These called even numbers. These are odd numbers. You have to write the even numbers first. Even number coefficient, power coefficient. What is the power coefficient? S power 4 and the even number coefficient is 10 and the next one is S power 0, that is 5. Okay. Next, for odd number, from odd number the coefficient is 2 and 20. This will be 0. Okay, we don't have any other odd number. Total we have 5 terms are there. From 5 terms, the first row comes to even numbers, power even number. For example, this is a power even number, and what is the coefficient of this power? 1, and the next power 10, the next power 5. Odd power 2 and 20. Next one is 0. Yeah, from this array, you have to take the total values. First, you have to multiply these two values. 10 into 2, 20. 20 minus 20 into 1. This is also 20. 20 by 2. 20 minus 20 by 2. This total answer is 0. This total answer is 0. Okay, the next one is 2 into 5, 10, and 0 into 1, 0 by 2. The next one answer is 0. Okay. From this explanation, the first row, the first column element is 0 in S power 2. Simply I have to take this method, case number 2 method. This comes to case number 2 method. Okay. What is this answer? That is 10 by 2. The answer is 5. The answer is 5. What is our main condition in case number 2? If any one of the first column element is 0, simply I have to take case number 2. Simply I have to take case number 2. Now, what is our condition in case number 2? Simply I have to write S is replaced with 1 by Z in our characteristic equation. In our characteristic equation, you have to write instead of S, you have to write 1 by Z. That's the condition for case number 2. If any one of the first column element is 0, if any one of the first column element is 0, now you have to take that equation. Now substitute S equal to 1 by Z in our characteristic equation. This is our characteristic equation. Okay, the substitute that 1 by Z whole power 4 plus 2 into 1 by Z whole power 3 plus 10 into 1 by Z square plus 20 into 1 by Z plus 5. Okay, from this equation, take LCMs and solve that equation. Finally, you get 5 into Z power 4 plus next one 20 into Z cube. Okay, just solve this equation. From this equation, you get final answer. I have to write that final answer only. Okay, 5 into Z power 4 and 20 into Z power 3 plus 10 into Z square, 10 into Z square plus 2 into Z plus 2 into Z plus 1. These are our final answer. After solving this equation, from this equation, we are getting some final answer, final equation. That is nothing but this one. These are next characteristic equation of the case number 2. This is the first characteristic equation. From this characteristic equation, I got one element is 0 in our first column. Simply I have to take one condition. That condition is equal to S equal to 1 by Z. So substitute that S equal to 1 by Z in our given characteristic equation. Then we can get another characteristic equation. Now you have to take the new characteristic equation. From this, you have to take some array. Okay, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, ఒక స్పెషల్ అరే తీసుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ న్యూ అరే ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ new characteristic equation, that is The highest power is z power 4. The highest power is z power 4 and z power 3 and z square, z power 1 and the last one z power 0. Okay, you have to take the new array after completion of previous one. Okay, if any one of the column element is 0, only one element is 0. Okay. Next, this is an even number, this is an odd number. From this equation, what is the power of z power 4? Sir, what is the quotient of z power 4? That is 5. And the next one is 10. The next one is 10. And the next one is 1. Okay. Now, what is z power 3 coefficient? 20. Next one 2. Then next one 0. Okay, this is a new array. Now, see, 20 into 10, 200. 200 minus 10 by 20. Okay, coming to this set of values, that is 20 into 1, 20, and 0 into 5, that is 0 by 20. By 20. Okay, next answer is 0. We don't have any value, simply you take 0. Okay, from this explanation, what is the answer? 90 by 20. What is 90 by 20? 90 by 20 is nothing but 9.5, I think. 9.5. 20 by 20, that is 1. 20 by 20, that is 1. Next, the 9.5 is multiplied with 2, that is 18. Sorry, 19. 19 minus 20 by 9.5. Sir, 9.5 into 2, that is 19, minus 1 into 20, that is 20. That is 20 by 9.5. Okay, what is our answer? That is minus 1 by 9.5. Minus 1 by 9.5. Simply I am writing minus 1 by 9.5. Simply that is nothing but 0.1. The answer is 0.1. Approximately 0.1. Next, these 9.5 into 0, 0. 0 into something 0. The second row element is 0. The second element is 0. Now, you have to take this one. 0.1 minus 0.1 is multiplied with 1, that is 0.1 only, and 0 into something 0 by 0.1 minus 0.1. Simply you have to take that is only 1. Only 1. Both are cancelled, then we can get 1 is the answer. Okay, this answer is 1. This answer is 1. Now this answer is what? Minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. Okay, see, the first column elements having some finite values. In that finite values, we have two sign changes are there. What is the first sign change? From z squared to z1, we have first sign change from plus to minus, and we have another sign change is also there from z1 to z0. That is the second sign change. That is the second sign change. Simply I have to take this unstable system or stable system. Why? Because we have some sign changes. Negative values are also there. But from these sign changes, you have to explain one point. The two roots from our characteristic question. Totally we have 4 roots are there from this new characteristic question. From that 4 roots, two roots are right side of the S-plane. Right side of the S-plane. Okay, from 4 roots. The remaining roots are maybe imaginary, maybe left side. That is not an issue. But simply this is unstable system or stable system. We have some negative roots also there. Simply this is a unstable system. Okay, for example, if any positive the first column elements all are positive, that is called stable system. But ikkada emundi negative signs vachinayi. Negative signs vachinayi kabatti this is a unstable system. Unstable system. This is take the array first. The highest power is s power 4, s power 5, and s power 4, s power 3, s power 2, s power 1, s power 0. Okay. Now, what is the first coefficient? S power 5, 1, 8, 7. The last one is 0. The last one is 0. No need to take. Okay. Next, s power 4. What is the s power 4 coefficient? 4. Next even number, 8. Next even number, 4. These are normal provision. Okay. Now you have to take multiplication. 4 into 8, 32. 32 minus 8 by 4. Next one. 4 into 7, 28 minus 4 by 4. Okay. Already you know the procedure. Already some of the problems are completed. Other criteria. Now next one. These two values are over from this value, and these set of values are also over. Now what is our answer? 32 minus 8, 24. 24 by 4. 24 by 4. That is, I think, 6. Okay. Next, 28 minus 4. 24. 24 by 4. That is also 6. That is also 6. Next one. 6 into 8. 48 minus 24. Okay. 24 by 6. Next one. I think. Okay. Next one. 6 into 4. 24. This will be 0. 0 into something. 0 by 6. 24 by 6. 24 by 6. 24 by 6. 4. 24 by 6. This is also 4. Next one. 4 into 6. 24. 24 by 4. I think this will be 0. Okay. Next one. This is also 0. Okay. This total row is 0. The total S1 row is 0. Simply have to take the auxiliary equation. Okay. 24 minus 24, 0, 0 and 0. So the total row is 0. The total row is 0. The total row is 0. You take the differentiation from the previous step. Okay. What is our equation? This is our equation, the previous equation. What is the previous equation? That is 4 into s square plus 4 equal to 0. From this step, the 4 is common. S square plus 1 equal to 0. S square plus 1 equal to 0. S equal to plus or minus j 1. S equal to plus or minus j1. But you have to take the differentiation for this. Just in factors find out chesanu. Factors kaakunda first differentiation find out cheyali. Ela find out cheyali differentiation? Now you have to take the differentiation for this. 4s square plus 4s into 4 equal to 0. 4 is constant. S square is nothing but 2s. S square is nothing but 2s. Differentiation of 4 is nothing but 0. You have to take 8 into s. 8 into s. Now what is the coefficient of s? That is 8. Just you have to take that 8 in this place. Okay. Take the differentiation part first from the previous step. From this previous step, you take some coefficient value, that is s coefficient 8. That 8 is substituted in our s power 1. Now you have to take normal procedure. 32 minus 4 by 8. That is 28 by 2. 28 by 8. What is 28 by 8? 3.5, I think. 3.5. Number 3. But in our first column, the total elements are positive. In our first column, the total elements are positive. You can say that is simply stable system. But we have some condition in our case number 3. You need to find the factors first. After completion of the factor only, you have to decide maybe it is a stable system, maybe it is a unstable or marginally stable system. Marginally stable system. Now see, from this explanation, some of the roots are imaginary. The two roots are nothing but plus or minus j1. This root is nothing but imaginary root. If any one of the roots are imaginary axis, appear on imaginary axis, simply have to take that type of system is nothing but marginally stable system. But you have to take instead of this total column and take this explanation first. Why? Because some of the roots are maybe imaginary, some of the roots are maybe right side. Okay, based on that one also you have to decide. But maximum case number 3 comes to marginally stable. Okay, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి s square plus 1 equal to 0, s equal to plus or minus j1 వచ్చింది. Okay, from this previous s square equation. Okay, ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది అంటే కంపల్సరీ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది రూట్స్ ఆర్ ఆన్ y axis. If any one of the roots are on y axis or imaginary axis, simply that type of system is called as marginally stable system. Okay, it is not a unstable system. Compulsory is a maybe stable, maybe marginally. Based on that root, you have to decide it is maybe marginally stable, maybe stable system. But from this explanation, you got something answer that is nothing but marginally stable. Simply you have to take this total system is called marginally stable system. But unstable మాత్రం కాదు. ఎందుకు unstable కాదు? We don't have any sign changes. ఇక్కడ sign changes లేవు. కంపల్సరీ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ అన్స్టేబుల్ సిస్టమ్. ఓకే, కంపల్సరీ మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎలా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి? ఫ్రమ్ ఆక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ యూ టేక్ సమ్ ఆన్సర్ దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ s equal plus or minus j1